Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can remove this kind of new labels or product badges in Ella Theme. So this new badge shows when you upload a new product in store, then for some time it shows this badge. If you want to hide it, you can hide it from Ella Theme settings without writing any CSS code. So to hide it, you will have to go to the Shopify dashboard, and here you can go to online store, and under themes here you will find the options to edit the theme customizations. You can click on edit theme. We can close the pop-up, and here we can go to the theme settings. Here under product card you will find a lot of options that are for the product cards and the product pages. So here you can scroll down. Here you can see the product badges, and here now you can find the settings for the new product badge, which you can see over here. So here you can see dynamic manual or show new badge. You can turn it off if you want to hide it. Now let's click on save. Let's go to the page and click on refresh, and here you can see that the new badge is now gone. So that's how you can remove the new badge in Ella theme. If you have any question or if you have any other topic ideas for me, do let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.